Welcome to ATech. Today I will tell you that how you can send audio file more than 16 MB on WhatsApp. So first of all, open your WhatsApp, then select the chat to whom you want to send audio message. Now we will click on attachment button. So here you can see audio option. So on top you can see boost your aura 177.2 MB file. So it's an audio file. We will try to send it, and you can see can't send audio message more than 16 MB. So now I will tell you secret that how you can send any audio file more than 16 MB. So now we'll click on documents, and on top you can see browse documents option. So here are different options, and we will move to audio. So you can see on top boost your aura, same audio file which we tried earlier, 177 MB. So we will click it and send it as a file, and you can see now it's going to send. So in this way you can send any file more than 16 MB on WhatsApp. So if you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.